an example of a uterus with multiple leiomyomas. Leiomyomas are benign uterine smooth muscle tumors that are quite common. They arise in the myometrium of the uterine corpus and can be intramural, subserosal, or submucosa. For orientation, you can see here is one ovary and here is the other ovary. This specimen has multiple subserosal nodules, and when we examine the bivalved specimen, you can see intramural leiomyomas as well. No submucosal leiomyomas are present. Here is the endometrial cavity. Leiomyomas are usually multifocal. As you can see, they are yet generally well circumscribed and discrete, round, tan-white nodules with a whorled white cut surface. Microscopically, they show bundles of well-differentiated, spindle-shaped smooth muscle cells.